Today I am reviewing the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is a powerful and versatile desktop computer designed to meet the demands of both professionals and everyday users who want a reliable, fast, and easy-to-upgrade machine. At the heart of this desktop is the Intel Core Ultra 7 to 265 processor, which integrates advanced AI capabilities to boost productivity and creativity in ways that traditional processors can't match. Whether you're multitasking across several demanding applications, editing high-resolution media, or simply working on your daily projects, this CPU ensures smooth and responsive performance that keeps up with your workflow without hiccups. One of the standout features of the Dell Tower Desktop is its impressive memory configuration. Equipped with 32GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 metric tons per second, it provides lightning-fast data access and multitasking capabilities. This means you can seamlessly switch between applications, work with large files, or run multiple virtual machines without slowdown. Combined with a spacious 1TB M.2 SSD, your system boots up quickly, programs launch instantly, and file transfers happen at blazing speeds. This storage also gives you ample room for your important documents, media files, and software installations, ensuring you never run out of space during your busiest days. Connectivity is another strong point. The desktop supports multiple monitor setups with ease, letting you connect up to 4 full HD monitors via DisplayPort and daisy chaining, or 2 4K displays using its HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort ports. This flexibility is perfect for anyone who needs a multi-monitor setup for enhanced productivity, immersive gaming, or detailed creative work. Whether you're coding, designing, or trading stocks, having multiple screens can greatly improve your efficiency and overall experience. Upgrading and maintaining the Dell Tower Desktop couldn't be simpler thanks to its toolless entry design and removable side panel. This allows you to access the internal components quickly and without any hassle, so you can easily add more RAM, swap out storage drives, or install new graphics cards as your needs evolve. This user-friendly design means your desktop can grow with you, adapting to future demands without forcing you to replace the entire system. Security and data protection are taken seriously with the Dell Tower Desktop. It features a hardware TPM security chip to keep your data safe from unauthorized access. Additionally, the built-in lock slot and padlock loop provide physical security options, giving you peace of mind when you need to step away from your desk in an office or public environment. From an aesthetic and sustainability standpoint, this Dell desktop is thoughtfully designed. It combines a sleek, modern look with sustainable materials, including recycled components, making it an environmentally friendly choice for your home or office. The refined corners and minimalistic design allow it to blend seamlessly into any workspace without drawing unnecessary attention, while still delivering a powerful computing experience. Included with the Dell Tower Desktop is a wired keyboard and mouse, providing a ready-to-use setup out of the box. You also benefit from Dell's 1-year Basic Onsite Service, ensuring professional support whenever you need it. If any hardware issues arise that cannot be fixed remotely, a certified technician will come directly to your location to resolve the problem, minimizing downtime and hassle. In summary, the Dell Tower Desktop ECT1250 is an excellent choice for users who want a fast, reliable, and easy-to-expand computer with top-notch connectivity and security features. Its combination of a high-performance Intel Core Ultra 7 to 265 processor, 32GB of DDR5 memory, and fast 1TB M.2 SSD storage makes it capable of handling everything from everyday tasks to demanding professional workloads with ease. The thoughtful design, strong security, and convenient upgrade options make this desktop a smart investment that will keep pace with your needs for years to come.